Good morning. It's Friday morning, October 30th, 2020, and it's time for your morning walk with me, Sophfronia. Okay, you've probably never seen me with an umbrella before, and that's because I didn't have a waterproof foam before, so I never came out to walk in the rain. Actually, it's snowing right now. Oh my goodness, I hope you've had a wonderful week. So I'm doing a keynote for the Irma Bombeck Writers Workshop. It's virtual this year. It's airing tomorrow at 9 a.m. Saturday morning. I think you could still register for it. Today is the first full day of workshops. I'm talking about mojo in that talk and references from the book Mojo by Marshall Goldsmith. And it's basically about how to regain the positivity and momentum of your work. And one of the things I wanted to talk about that I mentioned in my keynote is how one of the things that can help you get that positive energy back is thinking about your achievements. And I don't mean achievement in terms of rewards or your publications, but just the fact that you have gotten things done in the past. You have accomplished things. You have finished a poem. You have found an editor. The reason to think about this is because when we have to start again, or if we're doing something difficult, it's easy to forget that we've done these things. It feels like we're starting all over again. But in one way or another, even if it isn't the exact same activity, you've been here before. You have resources. You have your talent. You have your passion. You have your energy. You just have to remember to bring yourself to bear, the things that you know how to do, to whatever the hard thing is right now. And that may be hunkering down again for a long time at home. I know that my son's school was supposed to go back to a hybrid learning model in 2 weeks, but that's been canceled now. And he's going to be here at home doing remote learning. But he's been doing really well at it, and he knows he can do it. And I know that I can sit at home and finish a book because I did it this spring. So don't be afraid, and don't be discouraged. This is, a difficult season to come. The days are getting shorter, nights longer, it's darker. But you've been here before. It's just another season. I'm gonna keep walking in this snow, and I'll be online with the keynote tomorrow. I hope you can join me. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.